11 o'clock? Oh, no, no, no. Why did I oversleep? Look at that clock. We have only 2 hours. The truck comes at 9. Overalls on, boots on, farm work waits.
Hat on head, I am ready.
Good morning, cows. We are here.
Hello, girls. You look happy.
Look, the cows are waiting.
Moo, we missed you too.
Fresh grass for breakfast.
Here you go. Eat well.
Time for milking. Clean hands first.
I will help. Show me how.
Sit on stool. Gentle squeeze.
Like this? Soft and slow.
Full pail. Pour it carefully.
So much milk, white and fresh.
Load the truck. Careful now.
Safe and sound, ready for market.
Look at the garden. So green and healthy.
Yes, Dad. Everything is ready. Red tomatoes, soft and sweet.
Gentle twist. Do not pull. Grab the top. Pull steady now.
Wow, look how long.
Water time. Wash away the dirt.
Splash, now they shine. Dry them soft, no wet spots.
Check each one. Only the best. Tomatoes here. Carrots there.
Neat rows, looks beautiful. Heavy but fun, carry together.
Step by step. Hold tight. Slide it in. Safe and steady.
Perfect fit, ready to roll. Milk and veggies, all loaded.
Great work, team. Market time. Seatbelts on. Safe drive first.
Click, ready, Dad. Look, green fields.
Yes! Our farm is beautiful. Bridge ahead. Hold on tight.
Wee, so fun. Town signs, we are close.
Almost there. Good job, team. Parking spot. Perfect place.
I see it, right there.
Engine off. Deep breath.
We made it. Market time.
Open the back. Careful now.
I will help. Push together.
Stall setup. Table here.
Crates next, neat and tidy. Look, Dad. Our stall is full and beautiful.
Perfect setup. Now customers will come.
Hello. Fresh food here?
Welcome. Yes, very fresh.
These tomatoes look red and sweet.
Pick carefully, grown with care. Let us weigh them now. Good amount.
Heavy. Full bag.
Paper bag ready.
Thank you, little helper. Here is the money.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Do you have fresh milk? Yes. Cold and clean from our cows. See? Pure white milk. I will take 2 bottles.
Crunchy carrots, good for teeth. Yummy! I like orange. Whoa!
Many friends today. Thank you.
We work fast, team.
Here, stall is emptying. Good sales.
Proud of you, Emma. Great job. Time to close. Fold the table.
I will help. Cover the crates.
Good day. Count the coins.
many. We did great. Let's go home shopping.
Yes, we need meat and bread. Fresh meat, please. 2 kilos. Here you go. Best cut.
Warm bread smells good.
Add some apples, too. Bags in the truck, safe and tight.
All set. Ready to roll. Sun is going down. Beautiful sky.
Yes, long day well spent. Home, sweet home. Look, the animals wait.
They will be happy to see us.
Welcome home, my loves.
Hi, Lily, we are back.
Did you sell everything?
Yes! Our stall is empty.
I made fresh meat and veggies.
Smells wonderful, Lily.
Can I help set the table?
Yes, plates and spoons, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wash hands first, then we eat.
Okay, Dad. Clean hands.
Dinner is ready. Come sit down.
Thank you, Lily. Looks delicious.
Yummy. This is the best.
Eat slowly. Enjoy your food. Market was busy today.
You worked hard. Good job.
Tomorrow we sell more.
Yes, we will grow more.
We ate well. Now the animals are hungry.
Okay, let's go feed them before bed.
Grab the lantern, Emma. Night chores start.
I have the feed. Let's go.
Barn door open. Lights on.
Hello, cows. We missed you.
Dry hay first. Fill the troughs.
Heavy work, but I can do it. Now the grain. Extra energy for tomorrow.
Good memory. 1 scoop each. Fresh water next. Clean and full.
Yes, thirsty cows need it.
Cows are done. Now the chickens.
They are waiting at the door.
Let them out to stretch.
Look, they are so happy.
Scatter the grain evenly on the ground.
1, 2, 3, all fed.
Water bowl full, clean and ready.
Good night, chickens. Sleep well.
Coop door locked, safe for the night.
Next stop, pigs and goats.
Pigs first. Eat your slops.
They love it. So noisy.
Goats need hay too, fresh and dry.
They are chewing so fast.
Sheep are resting. We leave them all fed, water checked. Good job.
Yes, Dad. Everything is ready.
Gate locked. Farm is safe tonight.
Safe and sound. Good night, animals. My feet are tired, but I am happy.
Me too, Emma. Hard work feels good.
Welcome back. Dinner is warm.
We fed everyone, Mama.
Wash the day off. Warm water helps.
Clean hands, clean face. Ready for bed.
Good night, Dad. Tomorrow we grow more.
Sleep well, little farmer. Dream of green fields.